On the night of April 1, two Ukrainian Mi-24 helicopters crossed the border with the Russian Federation at a very low altitude. They attacked an oil storage facility owned by the Rosneft company with unguided rockets. Then they fled to the territory of Ukraine. The Russian air defense system did not notice these helicopters, which caused panic among local residents. The Russians are in shock and do not understand why the air defense was inactive. After the missiles hit the oil storage facilities, they caught fire. The fire has been assigned an increased rank of complexity. Rescuers are trying to prevent the fire from spreading to the tanks adjacent to the burning ones. As Governor Gladkov clarified, a fire train was also involved in the work, which pumps water into fire trucks. After the shelling of the tank farm, queues formed at gas stations, as people are afraid of fuel shortages.
Mama,